thrilled to have an employer who is bringing a great amount of jobs to Platte City. They're bringing development here with a lot of growth that we will be able to appreciate for years to come.
Our dream has been realized. A dream that started humbly enough in 2015 when Robin and I recognized the tremendous opportunity.
What an incredible success story for a company with deep roots in the diesel industry dating back to 1954. Central's power focus on customer service is apparent and has helped drive the outstanding success that we celebrate today.
We're betting on you. We're betting on this team that makes things happen, that builds this great stuff. We're betting on the engineers that have been fantastic, the banks that have been behind us, the capital people that have been behind us.
It's great to be here today. I love business. I love expansion. I love success. I love seeing the people who make it happen. I thought it was very fitting for Robin. The very first thing he did is recognize the team of the men and ladies he have that really make this happen. Thank you for recognizing the folks who are in the trenches really doing the work.
The people of Central Power, thank all of you one more time. The world thanks you. Remember, when you fill up, when you grab your phone and you look at something, you did this. You did it all. This is the stuff that powers those things that makes them happen.
God bless each and every one of you.